Hello, this is Easy English A2. Today, a simple story at A2 level is waiting for you. Listen, read, and repeat. Let's begin. It was the last day of our vacation. We lived in Spain in a hotel near the sea. Our room was on the second floor. From the window, we saw the beach and blue water. It was very beautiful. I woke up early. The sun was shining brightly. Outside the window, I heard the sound of the sea. My wife Anna was still sleeping. I looked at the clock. It was 8 o'clock in the morning. "Anna, get up," I said quietly. "It's already morning." She opened her eyes and smiled. "Good morning," she said. "Today is the last day. I want to go to the beach." "I want to too," I answered. "Let's have breakfast and go." Anna quickly got out of bed. She always wakes up quickly. I like to lie in bed a little longer, but today I also got up. We got dressed. Anna put on a light dress. I put on shorts and a t-shirt. "Did you take the sunscreen?" Anna asked. "Yes, it's in my bag," I answered. "And the towels?" "Anna, I took everything. Don't worry." Anna took her big bag. She put a towel, a book, sunscreen, and her phone in it. The phone was new. She bought it a month ago. The phone was in a pink case. Anna loved this phone very much. She always carried it with her. We left the room and went to the restaurant. The restaurant was on the first floor. There was a big hall with white tables. There were plates, cups, and forks on the tables. We took some food. I took eggs, bread, and coffee. Anna took yogurt, toast, and tea. We sat at a table by the window. From the window, we saw the beach. The sand was white. The sea was blue. The waves were small. Seagulls flew over the water and cried. "What a beautiful view," Anna said. "I want to take a photo." She took out her phone and started taking photos. She photographed the sea. Then she photographed a seagull. Then she photographed me. "Anna, stop photographing me," I said, smiling. "I'm eating." "But you're so funny in the morning," she said and laughed. "That's called wanting to sleep," I answered. We had breakfast. I drank 2 cups of coffee. Anna drank tea and ate toast with jam. We talked about what we would do today. "I want to lie on the beach and read a book," Anna said. "And I want to swim," I said. "The water is warm today." "You always want to swim," she smiled. "And you always want to read," I answered. We took our things and went to the beach. The beach was big. There were a lot of people there. Children were playing in the sand. People were lying on sun loungers. We found a free spot near a big umbrella. There were 2 sun loungers nearby. "It's nice here," Anna said. "Let's stop here." "Okay," I said. I put our bags on the sand. Anna put her bag next to her sun lounger. I sat on the lounger and took out my phone. I wanted to read the news. Anna stood nearby and looked at the sea. "I'm going for a swim," Anna said. "Go ahead," I said. "I'll read for a while." Don't you want to come with me? In 5 minutes, I answered. I want to rest first. Anna ran to the water. I heard her laughing. She jumped through the waves. I smiled and looked at my phone. I read the news. The weather in our city was bad. Rain, cold. But here, it was sunny and warm. I was happy. Half an hour passed. Anna came out of the water. She walked up to her sun lounger. She took a towel and wiped her face. Then she opened her bag and started looking for something. "Tom," she said, "have you seen my phone?" "No, I haven't," I answered. "You probably put it in the bag." "I'm looking in the bag," she said. "It's not here." I lifted my head. Anna was standing over the bag. She was pulling things out of the bag. She checked all the pockets. She shook the bag. The phone wasn't there. "It's not here," she said loudly. "Tom, I lost my phone." I got up from the lounger. Anna was very upset. I could see she wanted to cry. "Calm down," I said. "We'll find it. Do you remember when you held it last?" "I held it in the restaurant," she said. "I was photographing the sea and you. Then I put it in the bag. I remember exactly." "Okay. If it was in the bag, then it's here on the beach." "But it's not in the bag," she said. "I looked everywhere." "Maybe it fell on the sand when you were taking something out." "I don't know," she said. "I don't remember." I came up to her. I looked at the sand around her lounger. I didn't see the phone. I looked under the lounger. There was nothing there. I looked in my own bag. The phone wasn't there. "Let's look together," I said. "Maybe it fell when you were walking to the water." "I didn't take the phone with me to the water," Anna said. "The bag stayed here, next to you." She looked at me. There was worry in her eyes. "You were sitting here the whole time," she said. "Didn't you see who took my bag?" "I was looking at my phone," I said. "I wasn't watching the bag the whole time, but I would have noticed if someone took it." "Tom, call my number," Anna said. "Maybe we'll hear it ring." "Okay," I said. "I'll call." I took out my phone. I found Anna's number in my phone book. I pressed the call button. I held the phone to my ear. The ringing started. I heard it in my phone, but on the beach we didn't hear it ring. "I can't hear it," I said, "or the sound is very quiet." "Or someone found it and turned it off," Anna said. "Someone took it." "I'll call again," I said. "Maybe we didn't hear it." I dialed the number again. I listened to the ringing. 5 seconds passed. 10 seconds. And suddenly I heard a voice. Someone answered the call. "Hello?" said a man's voice. The voice was calm. I was surprised. I looked at Anna. She was looking at me with worry. "Hello," I said loudly. "Can you hear me?" "Yes, I can hear you," the man answered. "Is this your phone?" "Yes," I said quickly. "This is my wife's phone. We lost it on the beach." "Yes, I found a phone on the sand," the man said. "I was walking along the beach and saw it. It was lying near an umbrella." "I'm on the beach right now," the man said. "I can bring the phone to your hotel's reception. Which hotel are you staying at?" "The White Sail Hotel," I said. "We're staying at that hotel." "Okay," the man said. "I know that hotel. I'll come to the reception now and leave the phone there." "Thank you so much," I said. "We're coming to the reception now." "Okay, I'll wait for you there." He hung up the phone. I put away my phone. Anna looked at me and waited for an answer. "What?" she asked. "Who was that? Did he find the phone?" "Yes," I said with a smile. "He found the phone. He said he would bring it to the hotel reception. We're going there now." We quickly gathered our things. Anna didn't say a word. She just smiled. We walked to the hotel. Anna walked fast. I walked behind her. We entered the hotel. We walked up to the reception. The girl at the desk smiled at us. "Good afternoon," she said. "Good afternoon," I answered. "We're waiting for a man. He found my wife's phone. He said he would bring it to the reception." "Yes, of course," the girl said. The hotel door opened. A man walked into the lobby. He was tall. He was wearing a white t-shirt and blue shorts. He was holding a pink phone in his hand. It was Anna's phone. The man walked up to the reception. He looked at us. "Hello," he said. "Are you looking for a phone?" "Yes," Anna said, and got up from the sofa. "That's my phone." The man smiled. He held out the phone to Anna. "Here, take it," he said. "I found it on the beach. It was lying on the sand near an umbrella. I didn't know whose it was, but I thought, someone will definitely come back for it. I picked it up and wanted to bring it to the reception, and then you called." "Thank you so much," Anna said. "I was so worried. The phone is new, and all our photos are on it. I thought I had lost it forever." "You're welcome," the man said. "I understand. A phone is an important thing. I don't want to lose my phone either." "Thank you very much," I said and shook his hand. "We're very grateful." "Don't mention it," the man smiled. "Good people should help each other. Enjoy the rest of your vacation." "Thank you," I said. "We will never forget your kindness." The man smiled. He turned around and left the hotel. Anna looked at her phone. She was smiling. "It came back," she said quietly. "Yes," I answered. "Your phone came back." "I'm so happy," Anna said. "I thought I would never see it again." And I told you, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Thank you for listening and reading together with us. See you in the next story.